So there is a set screw right here, and on this axle there is kind of a machined flat. Okay. Now, typically, anytime you see a machined flat on a axle of any sort, the set screws go into it so that it prevents, well, it holds, it could do a number of things. It can hold a placement. It's like a placement marker. So anyway, I'm pretty sure that set screw is designed to go on the flat of that bar, okay, on that axle. All right, so I put it back to that just now. All right, so we open this up. This is the stitch length mechanism. I open that up to the largest possible, put that back to where I think is standard setting. Bars down. And that's what I get. So as you can see, something is terribly wrong. Now there's quite a bit of movement back and forth, but it is definitely not right, anywhere as close to being right. The feed dogs seem to be going in a weird motion instead of kind of like an up and back in kind of like a circular motion. It's doing some weird, it's almost going reverse, almost reverse. So as you can see, it seems like it's almost backwards. And another thing I wanted to ask you guys and maybe point out is, again, I'm pretty sure it's timed right, but maybe I'm wrong. When this needle bar is at its highest, right about there, usually this bar is at its highest, which it is not. That's the highest. And as you can see, we got a little bit of gap. Now, I'll have to look into this again, but, actually maybe that is correct, actually, because that is that 3 mil mark. Or that should be that 3 mil mark. So when it's at its highest, you pull it down 3 mil. This is at its highest. Actually, so that maybe is correct. Because when it's down, you can see the hook. Kind of hard to see exactly, but that is, I know you guys can't really see it without that plate removed, but I'm quite sure that that's actually correct. Alright, so anyway, I wanted to keep this video short and sweet, and hopefully you guys can maybe shed some light as to what the heck maybe I did wrong. Okay, thanks guys.